Morning everyone, how are you? Can you believe a week today? It's the 18th of December. If you haven't watched yesterday's video yet, I'll link it up above on a card. And because that one was like an epic, especially with Kate's video, so between us, we were basically a full-length feature movie. So today it's going to be a really short one, so you've got time to catch up on that one if you haven't already. But join me after the intro and let's have some Karen's Crazy Christmas fun. You ready? Hit it, maestro! I can't believe you've only got a week left to get everything done and finalised, can you? I really can't. So then, in good old-fashioned tradition, we have our board. So, for the 18th of December 2019, let's do Vlogmas. Lights, camera, action. I'm going to really miss this, you know. Maybe on my trip I should have 12 made for each month of the year. What do you think? Do you think Phil'd might? I think he might. Right, so we have got our advent calendar today. So number 8. Ooh, I forgot. Because yesterday's video was so long, I didn't do the advent bit at the front. Did I say it means I've got 2 chocolates today? 2 baubles. And I've got 2 gifts from my Cauldron Crate calendar, so we've got 6 today. So yeah, I couldn't do that as well because yeah, we would have been over the hour mark, and it was well over the hour mark before I started editing. So if you think, oh, that's a bit strange, it's because I was trying to reduce the time because yeah, I was overwhelmed. Yeah, overwhelmed by my wonderful friend. So today we have got, oh, it's this funny one again. I think it's a drummer boy. I really do, because it's got like a cross on him as though he's holding a drum. And I've been asked how I know what they are. Well, the trick is, if you're a chocolate connoisseur, I'm going to say connoisseur, it really doesn't matter, does it? And my tea was made by Savannah today. Gone a little cold. Beggars can't be choosers. Oh, and if it's your first time stopping by, she says, talking with a mouthful, very rude. It's a tradition in my house. We could make it a British tradition if I actually ran for Prime Minister in the next election. What do you think? But anyway, in my house, the tradition is every morning we wake up and we open our advent calendar, so we have chocolate and a drink, but obviously I have to do something with this before I open it in front of the camera. So right, 18. Who we got? I'm not even telling you who's in here. We've got the milky cow. We got the milky cow today. So what's it? Oh, I love this. I do. I love this chocolate. And who we got today? Oh, it's a teddy bear. You got the teddy bear, the little today. It's got the teddy bear. I could be the next act on Britain's Got Talent. Come nice singing with your mouth full. There's no hope. And I think the closer we get to Christmas, I get delirious because I'm so behind. It's just like, you know, when you've just gone, what will be, will be. Que sera, sera. Right, 17th first. Oh, I love this one the other day when we got the mini version, and we've now got the blue Mickey one. These baubles from Primark. They were darling, and for anyone in the UK, I paid £15 for the box. But I did have to have a really good shake and rummage because I went to the, I'm not far out of Birmingham, so I went to the big one in Birmingham, and so many of the boxes got damaged balls because they were really rattling. So next year if you buy any, check, make sure they don't rattle. Right, number 18. Oh, this is just a plain one, but oh no, it's not plain. So we've got an aqua golden one today. Doesn't want to focus, does it? There we go. So really pretty. So those are our 2 baubles, and then I've now got my loot crate. No, I haven't. I've got my cauldron crate. I will get it right one of these days, you know. And it's called the Advent chest. Right, so then. Now, this is where it's going to get tricky. Did I not open 17 when I should have opened 12? So I think I need to look for 12. And did I not open 18 when I was looking for 16? So I think I need to find 16. So I think I need 12 and 16. Well, at least they're on the same day, aren't they? So that's 21, 20, 24, 22, 25. Right, I've got 16 and I need 12. Ooh, is there not a 12? Is it hidden? Oh, that's strange. I've got 2 little bags. That's why I couldn't find them before. And for anyone who's just tuned in, I'm not cheating. So on day 12, I opened day 17 in error because I thought it said 12. And then, because obviously that looks like 17, doesn't it? And then on day 16, I thought it said 16 when in fact it said 18 because like that says 16. So start with 12. And they're little, aren't they? Right, so I've got to cut off the little tag to see what's inside. Oh, let's have a look. Has anyone else had this calendar? Is it just me? No one said. Oh, and I'm so behind on all the comments. I'm so sorry. I will get to them. But I'm kind of doing Vlogmas on 2 channels, so it's gone a bit crazy. But I can't wait to sit down and read everything and comment. So I have got the book that saved Harry, isn't it? Someone shot him, I can't remember who, and he went through the book. So it's a charm. So these are all charms. So that little bracelet. I have got, is that the Phoenix? It's in Dumbledore's office, isn't it? I think that's the Phoenix. So I've got that one. And then I've got the Quidditch cup. See, I'm getting better, aren't I? So I've got the Quidditch cup, and I've got a feeling, because it's the same little bag, that the other one's going to have the same in. Could be completely wrong. Let's open the other one. So this is today's bag now we're opening. You imagine like little gold coins in these, don't you? Pirates, yeah, I was right. So who have we got? We have got, oh, we have got a Slytherin snake. I think that's a Slytherin snake. So we've got the Slytherin snake. We've also got, oh, now I don't know what this is from. Blake's not sat here, so it's a horseshoe. And it's got something on the end, so I don't know what it is. I thought then it was a silver mark. I got all excited for a nanosecond. And then I have got, oh no, maybe that's the Slytherin. So that means then we haven't had Hufflepuff or Gryffindor yet, have we? So there must be more in there. These are really lovely, and they go on the bracelet. I got, was it day 2 or 3, something like that. So those are my advent calendars. So then today, what I thought was we'd open the 2 boxes that my lovely friend James sent me, and I'll link James below, and I'll put a card here. And I know a lot of you went over and you checked him out and you followed him, so thank you so much. But if you forgot, or if you've not had a chance, or you've not watched the other video, please go ahead and check him out. He's the most decent, lovely human being you could ever wish to meet. And he sent me the box that I put up on the 16th, so a couple of days ago. just because he wanted to, for no other reason than to cheer me up. I've been a bit down, and he just sent me the box. And yeah, lovely man. And so he started about the same time as me, and his channel's Pin Pals, but he doesn't just do pins, he does all sorts of things, so go and check him out. That would make my day, and certainly make his. But look, so he sent me 2 of these, as well as other goodies in my box, but that was day 16. So I'll put another card here. Can you tell I'm new at putting cards up? And that'll take you to that video as well. So let's have a look. So there's 12 in the collection. So these are the ones we can get, and as these are a box of pins from Disneyland, there will only be 2 pins in the box, because obviously if you get them from Hong Kong or Shanghai, sometimes we get 3, and yeah, I love that. So which ones will I get? Right, so throw the rubbish on the floor. Right, first one. I'm not going to complete it, so I hope we don't get the same. Ah, these are really nice. These are really big as well. So we've got Tomorrowland, Your Transport to the Future. What a lovely pin, and it's really big as well. So look, it's the size of my finger, and I've got average size fingers. So that's a really decent size pin. That's lovely. And I actually, on my last trip, the kids made me ride Tomorrowland. Because I said even with my driving I'd be alright. Cheeky devils. And I really liked it, and so when we go back for Christmas, they've got the Christmas overlay, so I can't wait to see that, because I've never I might have ridden it when they were babies, when we went when they were 3 and 5. And what's this one? From Your Friends on the Other Side. So this will be Haunted Mansion, won't it? So it'll be tarot cards. Look at those. And if anyone's wondering about the board, down in my description box there's a link. This was done by Grain Crafters, and they actually sent me this for free, and they did it for me so that I can do this and it goes straight in focus. So yeah, and if you watched Kate's unboxing yesterday, you might have seen one of them that I bought. I have bought a lot from them, and because they're just fabulous. Small shop, and I like to help the small guy out, because I think too many big boys are taken away from independent people. So go and check them out. So what's this? Park your creativity with pigments of imagination. That's really nice. So it's like a figment pin. But what's really lovely about this is because, where should I do that? Because I've started my planning channel, and you know what I'm going to say? Shall I say it? I'll put card here. It's got creativity, and I'm not necessarily a creative person, and I'm having the time of my life. So that is actually really poignant. One more. And this is, it's a different one because it's little, so we've got 4 different ones. What's this one? A special note sealed with a kiss. Oh, I've got to keep this. This is definitely off James. Taylor, his girlfriend, won't mind at all. She'll be quite relieved. Because he sent me this parcel, and it was sent with such affection. So I'm going to take that's off you, James, even though you don't wear red lipstick. So, yeah. Oh, isn't that lovely? And they were off my friend, and they're the Santa stuffings pin. So I hope you enjoyed that. Only a short one, as I promised. Yeah, be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. I'll see you tomorrow. I've got a really nice one tomorrow. I might have a little mystery box to open. See you in the next video. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button coming at the end of the video. So important at the moment with all the changes that are happening to YouTube from the 1st of January. But thanks everyone. And I'll see you really soon, like tomorrow soon, for day 19 of Vlogmas. Where's it going? Bye for now. Bye.